feel, Mr. President?
Surprisingly good, Dr. King.
I'm calling. Actually, they don't think we're dead.
The former Vice President Alvin Hammond is clearly calling the shots as the new commander-in-chief.
Sir, I have John Cale on the line.
Cale?
Where's Carol?
Agent Infinity's been relieved of command. But don't worry, the cavalry's coming. They're in the air. Should be hitting the residence in a few minutes.
No. Not by air. They have to come by ground.
I think we can handle this.
Really? Because they have Javelin missiles.
Not according to our intel. And even if we wanted to call them back, they've gone dark for the assault.
You son of a bitch. If they fail, they're going to kill every single one of those hostages, including my daughter. Just go. Take this and stay outside.
Let's go, Jonah! I'm coming! Spread out!
Castle in sight. I say again. Castle in sight.
Are you ready?
Colonel, we got movement on the roof. They've got missile lock. Evasive maneuvers.
Break right!
I get around. Going down. Mayday.
Catch it!
Going down.
One of them is closing in tight on the White House. Looks like it's checking on the conditions of the hostages.
What are you gonna do? You shoot the hostages? Get on the 50 cal! Okay, let's go! Go! Fire!
Last night.
They've got missile lock. Moving on the roof.
Hold your fire! I think that man is friendly!